Hey friends, and I'm Safir, and today in this video we will learn how to convert percentages to decimals. So let's get to it. So the first thing we need to know when converting, let's get my pen out, when converting is that it's just very simple 2 steps. First we need to convert we just need to divide by 100, and yes, it's that simple. And secondly, don't forget to take off the percentage sign. And yes, it's that simple. So let's start with our examples. So our first example here is 42%. And so in our first step to convert, we need to divide by 100. So friends, let's do this. Once, twice, and there our decimal place would land, and we would take off the percentage sign, and so our convertage would be 0.42. So now let's try it with another one. So what if we have a percentage which is more than 100%, for example 240%. So friends, don't worry and don't freak out, because we just simply follow our 2 steps here. So first we convert to divide by 100. So because 0 and 0, okay, no, never mind, divide, so 1, 2, and that's where our decimal place would go. Decimal place, and second, take off the percentage sign, and so our decimal would be 2.4. And so let's go to another one. So what about 12.5%? So again, it's very simple. Just divide by 100 and remove the percentage sign. So once, twice, our decimal point would go there. So remove, and so, and take off the percentage sign, and so the decimal would be 0.125. And just one more example, 0.4%. Just like last time, divide by 100 once, twice, so 0.00, and so take off the percentage, and so our decimal here is 0.004. And so let's recap what we have learned, friends. Today we have learned how to convert percentage to decimals, and so there are 2 easy steps. The first one is to just simply divide by 100 to convert, and the second step is to not to forget to take off the percentage sign. And just remember to add the decimal in place. And so, yep, that's it. As we have seen in our previous example, it was we started off with 0.4. What we did, 0.4%. What we did to get a decimal, first we divided it twice because 100, and so we added the decimal place, and then we took off the percentage sign. And so that's it for today, friends, and bye, and I'll see you next time.